Good afternoon, traders. It's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Now, taking a look at the market, it was a complete sell today, a sell off today, but controlled. You know, we kind of bounced in between that 29 and this 27 area here, and then kind of towards the end, it sold off towards the 26. Let's see if we can stay above this. Let's see if we can break out above this 329 area and stay above it. And let's see some elongated chart view. And if we can stay above that 29 area, we can do fairly well and we can kind of rally towards the end of the week, tomorrow and Friday. Or else there's a lot of air over here, a lot of air. We don't have the next support area is 319. And if that doesn't hold, there's a lot of air coming down. However, if you guys bought puts today at the open and sold at the end, or just like I always tell you, 10 to 20% is good on days like this. If you get that, be very fortunate. Because a lot of time, because of a lot of the chop that goes on here, this chop, if you aren't in already in your put position, it it pulls back, then knocks you out of your position, and you're out. So a lot of times you need to concentrate and not leave and come back. No, once you see you've got a significant profit, 10 20%, it covers your commission cost, get out. Or if it's not going a direction, if you bought puts here and thought the market was gonna go even lower and you got stomped out in this area, don't come back in. The market didn't do what you expected to do. So what you need to do is play it safely. Stick to your rules. Do not jump them. Do not violate your rules. Whatever you've come into the market with, your rules you come into the market. This is my setup. I'm going to come in my entry, and this is my exit. If it doesn't match those criterias, then I'm out. And other things that are popping after hours is Pinterest. It's on the tear, you know. So, and if you bought any kind of calls for Pinterest, you're doing good. So a lot of times it doesn't go the direction that you would want it to. Sometimes it just stays flat, like after hours you see Etsy. It's it's flat, it's not really going in no direction. It's it's flat. It just is lower, but neither people who bought calls or puts one in this case. So you really had to um, stay out of this one. However, if you played Pinterest and you bought calls, you did very well. So this is your stock market recap. Once again, this is for educational purposes and not for investing advice. See you guys tomorrow.